Our prime asset, the most valuable asset, are our closed die forging presses. So we have like 11,000 ton press, 6,000 ton press. So the press complex itself comprises of like big hydraulic system. Like we have 12,000 gallon tank hydraulic system with installed capacity of like almost 10,000 horsepower. And then we have heat treat facility that very recently be upgraded to brand new.
My favorite thing, I would say going back to the PMs, we're able to get a lot more detail and information in them compared to our older system. Every morning at 7 a.m. we have a morning maintenance meeting. First thing that we look at is the interactive plan. So when I started taking over the eMaint duties, I went in there and I made a field on the work order request form where if somebody says that asset is down when they create a work order request, it automatically turns that red on the interactive map. So every morning we go in and look at that and go, okay, these items are red. They weren't, by the time when we left yesterday at 5 p.m., they weren't red. What happened? What do we need to do? What do we need to get on? So it's helped us focus focus where we need to go each morning. And I think that's been a really good tool.